You get to your car and you turn the engine on, or you try, and the battery is flat. What do? Call the AA, get someone to jump start you? No, before you do all of that, just use the left hand turn click. And to do that, you put your key in the ignition and turn it to the left before you turn it to the right. And what this does is it creates a parallel circuit of both of your batteries. So the voltage is the same at 12 volts, but you get the amps from both batteries, and this may be enough to get your car started. And if it does, then great. You're going to need to give the car a good long run to charge those batteries up, and I would definitely recommend putting it on a battery tender when you get home to refresh and recondition the batteries. Losing charge is not good for these AGMs or any battery. Come to that. Batteries have a memory and they remember being flat. Don't forget. Now, if this little trick doesn't work for you, then you're going to have to talk about jump starting the car. Hopefully there's enough charge in the batteries to open the boot lid.